Chris Hurley with Russell and Abbott Heating and Cooling. Want to talk with you today about the importance of the routine maintenance on your home's heating and cooling system. It's the most important thing you can do for your heating and cooling system. Just one example today. This is a high voltage motor starter. Such a simple thing, about the size of a can of tomato paste. You don't know it's failed till it's failed unless you check it during maintenance. When it does fail, it can take out expensive components in your heat and air system that cost thousands and thousands of dollars to repair. So why are we talking to you today? We have 2 tiers of maintenance that we do, and we've just added a third. Really great news. Maximum value protection. For $399, you get a year's worth of coverage. Think of it as an umbrella over your heat and cooling system. Not only is this covered, but all of those other components in the system. Anything at all goes bad, you're covered for 1 year. Best deal in the planet, folks. $399, simple umbrella, heat and air cooling is covered. Give us a call, Russell and Abbott Heating and Cooling.